everyone, Christina here from Sheridan Art and Designs, and today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips for making your Mandalorian fight suit. So tip number 2 is baste. Baste the whole thing together. Jumpsuits are kind of a weird fit, guys. So I don't know if you're like me, where like my body proportions were not necessarily like jumpsuit friendly. I have a really short waist. So I found it really hard to get the fit exactly right, especially because on the pattern that I used, the finished measurements weren't accurate. So I ended up I cut a medium in the pattern thinking that would give me like just an inch or so of like roominess. But I ended up having to cut like 5 inches out of the pattern. So definitely baste. Just set your machine at like a 5.5 millimeter stitch, a nice wide stitch, and just baste your main pieces together, right? Baste your front and backs and sides together so that you can actually put it on and try it out, and then you can actually know what your fit is before you dial it in.